welcome back to another video. You are watching your favorite channel justaclick.com, and today we are going to talk about HP EliteBook 8540 out here. Yes, this video is dedicated to HP EliteBook 8540 out here. Talking about this variant, then we can say that EliteBook series or the HP series definitely have the embedded security and which continues in this. You get to see TPM 1.2 security chip system along with it, and you get to have a good processing and the weak technology out there. Talking about the EliteBook series, these are basically designed for the corporate world. And talking about this variant, then we can say that this version out here offers you a great range of specifications. Along with that, you also get to see that this variant out here, that is 8540, is offering you a core processor, that is the CPU system of Intel Core i7 out there. Yes, it is offering you a Intel Core i7 processing. Along with that, you get to have a max turbo speed of 3.3 gigahertz. Yes, 3.3 gigahertz is the max turbo speed, whereas the base clock speed, if we talk about the base speed, then it is 2.6 gigahertz, and very specifically 2.66 gigahertz, so 2.6 or 2.7 gigahertz could be said out. So overall, if you talk about this variant, then we can say that this is offering you a great range of specifications in the processing system. Talking about this processing and all everything, it is a dual core processor out here offering you a chip system from Mobile Intel QM Express. Yes, Mobile Intel QM57 Express is the processing system or the chip system out there. Processing by Intel Core i5 is there, so you will find a chip system with this gadget. Now, when we are talking about this variant, when we are talking about this version EliteBook series variant out here, let us talk about the catch or let us talk about the memory part, storage out there. Talking about the storage, then the first category comes out to be the cache memory. Talking about the cache memory, we can say that it offers you L3 cache type variant. Yes, the variant out here offered is L3 cache variant. Along with that, you get to see that this variant out here offers you installed size of 4 MB. Yes, the installed size of the cache memory is 4 MB out here. Along with that, you get to see that this variant out here offers you a memory speed which is related to the RAM. The RAM is the random accessory memory out here. It is offering you an installed size of RAM that is 4 GB. Yes, 4 GB is the installed size offered out here. But you will not find a single configuration. You will find that the installed size is offering you a dual configuration out here in this variant. Talking about the RAM, that is random accessory memory, we can say that usually the 4 MB is not, or the 4 GB storage in the RAM is not sufficient. So there is always an expandability also. So you get to have an expandable storage out here, and this can be said that it has a maximum support size of 8 GB. You get to have a maximum support size of 8 GB with it. Along with that, you get to see that this variant out here offers you the same technology, that is DDR3 technology, with a speed of 1333 megahertz with two slotations out there. That's why 8 GB slotation could be said as that it offers you maximum support size of 8 GB. But we know that storage or the memory is not alone defined by the RAM or the cache memory out here. It is defined or it is set out to be the same with the hard drive. Now, talking about the hard drive storage, let us talk about the hard drive. What kind of hard drive storage does it offers? It offers you spindle speed of 7200 RPM. Yes, there is a spindle speed of 7200 RPM with a capacity or the storage or the hard drive capacity of 320 GB. Yes, you get to have 320 GB hard drive storage out here. Along with that, if you talk about this variant, then it offers you a type that is HDD type variant. Yes, you get to have HDD type variant out here. This is being offered out in this variation. We know that HP series are basically designed variants which can work in the environmental factors also. Yes, we know that these work in environmental factors also. And talking about these environmental factors, we can say that this variant out here works very well in these harsh conditions also. Now let us talk about the size, because we know that it is a mid-sized gadget out here. Talking about the size, then it offers you 39.6 centimeters of the screen size. Yes, 39.6 centimeter is the screen size offered out by this gadget. Along with that, you get to see LED display with backlight technology and an HD plus resolution. Along with it, it has got an anti-glance monitor featuring. So overall, you get to see LED backlight, HD plus resolution with an anti-glance display. So this is the overall view of this gadget out here. Now talking about this gadget, let us talk about the graphics also, because resolutions and everything works well. But if you do not have a good graphics, then the video, the sound quality does not appears to be good. Talking about the graphics, it has got NVIDIA NVS 5100M graphical processor. A very rare, or we can say very not very popular out, we will say. It was really used by very few sites. Very few gadgets are being used using this gadget, because this is actually working well with the chip systems and the few internal processings out there. Talking about this variant, talking about graphical processor, that is NVIDIA out here. It offers you a good range of specifications and a good featuring. Along with that, a good webcam with a good capturing resolution, stereo type speakers, microphones out here. Along with it, it offers you a good connectivity to wireless connections or Wi-Fi out there, Bluetooth connectivity out here. Along with that, you get to see a good connectivity with USB 2, USB 3, audio input output jack. You get to see SD card reading connectivity, power card reading connectivity, power connectivity out here, multi-card reading connectivity, fast as well as flash card reading connectivity. These kind of connectivity seen. Along with this, you get to have a removable connectivity with the optical drive. That is the DVD read and write type. So you have an optical drive connectivity also. Whereas talking about this variant, let us talk about the battery, because battery plays an important role. Talking about the battery, then we can say that it offers you 8 cell lithium ion battery. Yes, it is offering you 8 cell lithium ion 73 volts battery. So it is offering you a good battery life also. Now talking about this, I talked about the specifications, but another major factor which affects any gadget is the pricing. So let us visit out a site which offers great pricing. Talking about the pricing, we are at just at click.com. Yes, we are at just at click.com website, which offers you pocketable rates for your favorite gadgets. Along with that, you get to have customizability option. Yes, you can have a customizability option also for your gadgets. You get to have customized gadgets out there. You can customize if it is possible from the company's end. So you can customize your gadgets. Now let us search this gadget out here in the search icon, so that we can know our gadgets in a very limited format. Talking about the results, we can see this is the result out here. It is coming with bag free and has a condition that is refurbished. Along with that, it has got a small description box. So now let us talk about this refurbished condition and the pricing, etc. So first, let us know what are refurbished products all about. Talking about refurbished products or refurbished brand and or certified refurbished products, we can say that these are actually the same the synonyms out there, because refurbished products and brand new products are quite similar. What happens in a brand new product, they are directly released from the company, whereas in the refurbished product category, you get to have a pre-owned gadget. Now what is pre-owned gadgets out there? Pre-owned gadgets are nothing else but the gadgets which have been once released in the market, and the user is actually owning that gadget and is reselling it. That is what pre-ownization means. They have got the same design, they have got the same functionality, they have got the same testers. Everything is same. Like whatever the brand new specifies any specification, is the same specification or the featuring out in the refurbished or certified refurbished product. Now let us talk about these refurbished and certified refurbished or brand new pathway out there, like how this pre-ownization takes place. And when we talk about this pathway, then it includes a base, mediator, and a consumer. Now, what is a consumer out here? When we talk about the consumers, we can say that consumers and base are nothing else but a common factors which are company and the user. Talking about the base in brand new is always the company. It will always and always remain the constant out there. The constant thing about base is the company. In brand new gadgets, it will always be the company. It can be any company out here, Dell, HP, Ace, Lenovo, any Nokia, any kind of company, any kind of brand which is releasing its gadget, its model for the first time is known as a brand new gadget by the company. Now it is being sold to a marketplace. It is brought up in the marketplace out here. Now what happens is when it is brought up in the market, then it is named or conditioned as brand new gadget. Now the gadget is being sold to a new user. Yes, now the marketplace has got a user interface out there. The user buys this gadget from the marketplace and you get to have that gadget. Now what happens is when you have that gadget out there, you get to have a good specifications, everything. You like that gadget a lot. But after some time, we usually get bored of it, or we want to resell. We don't want to use that gadget in short. What happens is when we want to resell that gadget, when we are bored or we want to sell it off, then it is brought back to another marketplace, which is the mediator out here. Now, this gadget is known as a pre-owned gadget. Yes, now it is not a brand new gadget, it is a pre-owned gadget. This pre-owned gadget, when brought in the marketplace, is termed as refurbished or certified refurbished product after testing and being approved by the site. Yes, if it is tested and verified, if it is not passed in all or it does not pass all the parameters or any it fails anyway, then it is not considered at all. It is not at all considered there. Now, when we talk about these parameters, then we can say that these parameters includes a lot of things, external and internal parameters, which we will discuss on. Now, it is brought in the market. Now, what happened? It is verified. It is brought up in the site. Now, a new user wants to have that gadget and that is brought up from that site. That product is named as refurbished product. Yes, this product is named as refurbished product. Now, talking about the testing sites and all, brand new products, wherever it is being launched, it is tested and verified in different places. Yes, there are a lot of sites for testing, whereas for refurbished product, only and only that site, that particular site will be responsible for testing, approving that gadget, which a user has sold off its gadget to. Yes, user जिस भी gadget अपने gadget को जिस भी site पर sold off करता है, जहाँ पे भी आप उसको buy करने जा रहे हैं, वो साइट ही उसको टेस्ट करती है, उसको एनालाइज करती है, रिप्लेस करती है, मॉडिफाई करती है, व्हाटएवर इज डन ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर साइट. So this is the major difference. Otherwise, you will find the same design, same functionality, same testing, everything is same. Now let us come to the testing parameters, because we know that testing is important. And talking about the testing parameters, let us talk about the what kind of testing parameters it has. It usually have two type of testing parameters, internal and external parameters. So what are internal parameters and external parameters? These are the major classification of parameters which can be analyzed on the basis of softwares or tools required or not. External parameters does not require any software because they can be seen directly through eyes, or we do not require any highly specified gadgets for that. Now, what are these parameters? These parameters are nothing else but the design out there, external design, keyboard, keys intact there, keys working, like whether the keys are working or not. Touchpad is there, whether touchpad is providing all the touch controls, is it working on the gestures or not. camera, whether it's clicking a good quality photo or not, audio out there, jack systems, the connectors out there, USB, SD, audio input out, power jack, these buttons out there, these connectors. So externally, these things like the scratches on that gadget, if you have scratches or not, everything whichever can be seen directly through eyes are checked out there. So you get to have external parameters out there जिन्हें आप देख सकते हैं अपनी eyes से, and you can verify out there. Because the first thing which comes or we check in every gadget is the look, the overall look, and things we check are keys and everything out there. So these do not require any tool, any software, directly through eyes could be done. But it is not same the case of internal parameters. Internal parameters require a lot of specified gadgets, specified tools, specified softwares or highly designed softwares we can say. Because these are testing and verifying the internal components, the minute components out there, like the internal processor, core, or any kind of processor it is using, the graphics out there, the resolution, the type of display it is using. If the connectors are not working, then the signal are passing through it or not. Battery is swollen or not, or the battery is providing appropriate voltage or not. So everything has to be checked, like whatever the internal components like memory, the speed out there, everything has to be checked. So overall, all the internal components which are major parts of this has to be checked there. Now talking about these major parts and everything, what would happen if it would fail in any of the part? Well, there are chances that some gadgets might not pass all the tests. What happens is if it can be replaced or it can be renewed out there, then the gadget or that particular part is being renewed or replaced with the original part. Yes, with the original part, it is being replaced, renewed out here. Along with that, you also get to see that it is absolutely newly like gadget now. Yes, the refurbished products are absolutely newly like, they are packed along with the accessories in a proper bag out there, in a proper container we can say, or proper packaging is done out there. So just like the way company releases into the market, it is the same way out there. But what are the benefits of having a refurbished product over a brand new, or why we should choose refurbished products? Because refurbished products are really good in pricing. Yes, if you talk about the pricing, if you talk about pricing about these gadgets, then you will get to see that they offer you a good pricing out here, which is pocketable rates. When we talk about pricing, we know that brand new gadgets are actually expensive. They are expensive out there. Whereas you get to see that when brand new products are expensive, as well as everything is done, so you will see the refurbished products are not that expensive. They are quite pocketable. And since they are pocketable gadgets, so you can have a difference in the pricing. So there is a difference out in the pricing. So you get to have a savings out there. Yes, you can save a good amount of saving. Like if you talk about savings, then depending upon the gadget pricing and all, you can save up to 15, 40. Like, there is a huge number out there for savings. Talking about another factor is the warranty period. Yes, talking about the warranty, then we can say that brand new products offer you 1 year warranty as well as exchange policy. But does it offer the same policy with refurbished? Because pre-owned gadgets we buy from any normal person, we don't get any warranty period. But when we talk about the refurbished products, then you get to have 6 months warranty along with that 7 exchange policy. Yes. 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy could be seen out here. That is an additional factor, additional point to this refurbished category. Now, overall, if we talk about then pocketable rates are there, you get to have a good savings, warranty period of 6 months, exchange policy of 7 days out there. So why not try refurbished products then? You can definitely try out these refurbished products. And the site we were discussing, that is justatclick.com. Yes, we were at this site, that is justatclick.com. You are just a click away from your favorite gadgets or favorite model out there. And when we talk about these gadgets, then we can say that this site, this particular site that is just at click.com, offers you a great range of products under the category of refurbished laptops or the refurbished gadgets out there. Yes, you get to have a large collection of gadgets from top reputed brands. You get to have pocketable rates. You get to have a great savings. Along with that, 6 months warranty period is offered out here. Since it's a refurbished website, we can say refurbished gadgets are out here. So you get to have 6 months warranty period also. So do check out just at click.com out here. Along with that, you also get to see it is offering you free home delivery. Along with that, it offers you money back guarantee and an online support system also. So you get to have an online support system, money back guarantee, free shipping. Now, talking about the shipping, then we can say that at this site you get to have a 48 hours delivery time for mostly UAE parts, whereas Saudi might take a little longer, that is a 1 week time. But if you are customizing your gadget, because this site offers you an option that is customizability option. Yes, the site just at click.com offers you customizability option. If you are customizing your gadget, then you might take a little longer. You can customize according to your needs if it is possible by the company itself. Yes, if the company has stated about the customizability, then you can customize your gadget. This is for just at click.com. Description has the link, so do visit out the link in the description box, and you can check out the website for best pricing.